I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use jump rope for exercise. First, let's explore the amazing benefits. Jumping rope is a fantastic full-body workout, burning around 10 to 16 calories per minute. It significantly boosts your cardiovascular health and stamina. Plus, it sharpens your coordination, agility, and balance, while strengthening your legs, core, and arms. It's an efficient and fun way to get fit. Choosing the right rope is crucial. Stand on the rope's center. The handles should reach your armpits. Opt for comfortable handles and a weight suitable for your experience. When jumping, keep your elbows tucked in and knees slightly bent. Only jump 1 or 2 inches off the ground, just enough to clear the rope. This proper form prevents injury and maximizes efficiency. Always start with a 5-minute warm-up, including light cardio and dynamic stretches. For basic technique, focus on the 2-foot jump using your wrists to turn the rope, not your arms. Once comfortable, try alternating foot jumps to build rhythm. Begin with 3 to 5 30-second jumping intervals, resting briefly between each. Consistency is key to building stamina. Ready for more? Incorporate advanced drills like crisscross, double unders, or high knees to challenge yourself. Structure your workout with 3 to 5 rounds, jumping for 1 minute and resting for 30 seconds. As you progress, gradually increase your jumping time and shorten your rest periods. Always finish with a 5-minute cool down, including static stretches, to aid recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.